In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the OBS Virtual Camera for Google Meet. If you've ever wanted to bring cleaner video overlays or custom layouts into your meetings or presentations, using OBS as your camera inside Google Meet is a simple and powerful way to do that. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along even if you're new to OBS or Google Meet. First, you'll need to make sure you have OBS installed on your computer. OBS, or Open Broadcaster software, is a free program that lets you create scenes, add sources like your webcam, screen captures, images, and more, and then output that as a virtual camera. If you don't already have OBS, head to the official OBS website, download the version for your operating system, and install it. Once it's installed, open OBS so that it's ready to go. Inside OBS, set up the scene you want to use for your Google Meet calls. This might be as simple as adding your webcam as a video capture source, or as advanced as a full layout with text, images, or a shared screen. The important part is that whatever you see in the OBS preview window is what you'll eventually send into Google Meet. Take a moment to frame your shot, check your lighting, and make sure everything looks the way you want. Next, you'll need to activate the virtual camera feature in OBS. Look for the option labeled Start Virtual Camera, usually found in the Controls area. Click that to turn the virtual camera on. Once it's running, OBS creates a virtual webcam device on your system that other apps like Google Meet can see and use just like a regular camera. Keep OBS open in the background while you move on to the next step, because closing OBS will stop the virtual camera. Now, open Google Meet. You can do this by going to the main Google Meet dashboard in your browser. You don't need to join a call just yet. From the dashboard, you'll have access to the settings you need to change before you enter a meeting, which is often easier than trying to adjust them once a call has already started. In Google Meet, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a small gear. Click on that and a settings window will open. Go to the video section. This is where Google Meet lets you choose which camera you want to use. By default, it may be set to your built-in webcam or another physical camera connected to your computer. From the camera drop-down menu, select OBS Virtual Camera. Once you choose that, Google Meet will start using the video feed coming from OBS instead of your regular webcam. You should see a live preview that matches what you see in the OBS preview window. If the preview is black or not updating, double check that the virtual camera is running in OBS and that the correct scene is active. At this point, you're ready to join or start a Google Meet call. Everyone in the meeting will now see the output from OBS, including any overlays, backgrounds, or layouts you've set up. If you need to change what people see, switch scenes, or adjust sources inside OBS, and the changes will update live in your Google Meet session.